Hey everyone, it's Namat. So today's video is a little different and it's very fun. It's not how to do something, but what I actually learned and came across when I introduced my kids to Figma Make. My 9-year-old and 4-year-old, on one fun evening, I asked them to create something with no limits, no instructions. I showed them the software, and I want to share with you the incredible things that they created, which I would never have thought to create with Figma Make. If you're creative with an access to Figma Make and you have kids nearby, you may want to try this and let them surprise you. It all started when I asked my 9-year-old to come see what I actually do for a living. I asked him to start with a drawing. And of course, as a 9-year-old, he was thinking his mom is too sus. So just to roll with me, he drew something very quickly. He took a photograph of his image. We used the phone to transfer his image inside Figma Make. All I said to him was, tell the software what you wanted to do with this image. So on his own, he said, create and add color and make the person move. That was his first prompt. And look what he got. Once he saw the first result, he was so thrilled. He was so excited because he had no clue what this was about. And suddenly his mom was not that sus anymore, and he dove into it. He started creating more. Make the person fly. Make the village with people also flying with more houses. Make the birds more realistic. He added the monk and a pond in the middle. He kept iterating for quite a bit actually, and he was happy with his creation. I was very surprised. I did not expect that will happen in Figma Make. I mean, I would never have attempted to create it myself.
It looked so weird the first time I made my drawing, but I made it look better. I had fun just prompting it, telling it what to do.
Once he got rolling, I wanted my other 4-year-old trying as well. So we asked Nabil to draw a sketch as well. Now, Nabil, being a 4-year-old, could only draw the sketch, but Karim was very interested in bringing his brother's vision to life. Of course, as you can see, 4-year-old drawing. But Karim said, make a lot of houses and trees and people walking on the sidewalk.
I enjoyed it. I made some stuff. They were very nice.
He started with something walking and all the way continued prompting to create a game out of this. And look at his final result. Genuinely, I never thought to create a game with Figma Make, but he did. This is how you play the game. If you use the arrows, you'll be able to advance to cross the street with the character. And because we chose the easy one, I might actually make it. And then it resets. You can change the difficulty level and play accordingly. That was really amazing. And when I tried to interrupt him in between, he's like, Mom, please, I need to focus on prompting. But the most precious thing is they really enjoyed themselves. And all of us did not expect the result. The next day,
I made a haunted house, a dance party out of it too.
The output was super fun and inspirational. I mean, look at these creatures dancing.
The most fun thing I enjoyed about Figma Make, I could just do anything, build anything. It was so fun.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're going to try it out yourself. If you like this video, please hype it. It will help YouTube recognize that it's something worth sharing. Thanks so much for watching.